So after you install the application, whenever you want to start the application, you can just double click on WinSIP shortcut, and it will open up the last test files you ran and everything. But you can easily create a new call file by just going to hit, go to file, a new call, and it will open up the wizard. Or you can just hit cancel and you can just go to file, open, and you can go to WinZip folder and you can go to examples and call standard files. And it has some example files for initiate side, answer side, etc. So you can choose any of the call files, or you can just choose the last file it chose, and you can just go back and you can say like this, and it will have all the information. So the basic important thing to have to make a call is the call file, which is like where you can make each call where you want to make the call. You have to give specific details like a local ID. It will be like a phone number. You can double click here, or you can just double click on a call, and it will open up the properties for that call, and you can see what all changes you can make. So the local IP address will be taken on which WinZip is running. So you can click and you can change the IP addresses right there, and you can go and say like, okay, local alias port on which port you want to make the call. Remote number will be the destination number where you want to make the call. Remote address will be the address on which the remote application is running. In this test, we are running WinZip on uh, 32 to 52 55.56 address, and the frequency is like how many times you want to run the calls. You can set like one to run single time, or you can even set like 10 times to do like any particular amount of repetitions you want to do. And if you want to do like just the repeating, you can click press, and you can press 0 and enter, and it will be repeating the calls until you hit the stop button. Duration of the calls is you can set any duration, like here for example it is for 1 minute, and you can always set like random duration also, like for example 60 seconds to 2 minute, and we put it on milliseconds. That's why it is 60 seconds, 60,000 and 120,000. And if you click OK, and it will automatically put as a random duration. And WinSIP also comes with a lot of initial delay options, post dial delay options, ring durations, intercall delay. Intercall delay will be like after the call gets completed, it will wait for specified time and it will start again. And we have delay on errors, stop on errors, and we can also do DTMF using RFC 2833 section 1. And this is hold frequency options is right there, and all the transfer call options and everything. And you can also select what type of codec you want to make the calls, and a video codec, and these are the main things which you need for making a call file. And you can set up change. If you want to change bunch of calls, you can press shift key and you can say like change for the first 20 calls, and you can change just frequency 1, and it will just change for the selected calls. And if you want to change all the calls, you can select one call and you can click frequency, and you can press 0, and that your call file is ready. And as after you make the changes, please make sure you save the call file by clicking here, or you can go to edit or go to file and save the file right there.